Hi, it's Larry Gaines from Power Cycle Trading, and this is our aftermarket power outlook for today, November the 8th, 2012. But before I get started on the outlook, though, for all of you that are not currently a member to the Power Market Outlook, this is going to be a freebie today. And also, if you've not received my free ebook at Power Cycle Trading, just go to my website, powercycletrading.com. On the home page, you'll see 15 top option strategies. Put your name and email address in there and you'll get it right away. So now I'm going to go through the aftermarket power outlook, so let's get going. Now if you're not familiar with this or new to Power Cycle Trading and what we have to offer, every day I put out the aftermarket power outlook, and this is a service that's $99 a month, and it's also included if you buy one of our packages. We're currently having trader special, so I'll show you that link. But you can get this every day. You'll get this, and what it is delivered daily. It's a market update that will tell you about market cycles and trend changes, and alert you to anything that's happening, like the current market we're in now. And it's ideal for those that are unavailable during U.S. market hours. So it's perfect for the trader that can't be at their desk all day. If you're a swing trader or investor and you want to get quick but insightful market overview from both a technical and fundamental perspective, this is for you. So if you're interested in it, I hope you'll sign up, and it's just $99 a month, or you can get it in one of my packages, which I'll go through a little bit later. Now the other thing, at Power Cycle Trading, we use the cycle model that I've developed for all of our trading for long-term investing, swing trading, and intraday. And this particular model, if you've been using this or following us, you would have seen this market crash coming back on October the 12th. We had a signal on the S&P 500 that it had topped out, and you can see right now that signal came at about 1429, and today we closed at 1377, and we're still in a long-term downtrend. So if you're trying to trade these type of markets, you need a system, and if you want a system that's very accurate on cycles, you should look into the Power Cycle Trading model. So the long-term trend is down, as you can see here. Now we use different time frames. The system works across all time frames, but we'll use for long-term the weekly, for medium-term we'll use daily, for intermediate-term, which is more swing trade type setups, we use a 60-minute. And on the medium-term time frame, the system took another short yesterday on the 7th, and went short at 1394. Today you can see we closed out at 1377, and right below the 200-day moving average, which came in right here at 1380 today. So we'll use a combination of multiple time frames when we're trading, but one of the time frames is the daily, and the next one I'll show you is the intermediate term. The intermediate term time frame, the system also went short yesterday. This is a 60 minutes, and it went short at 9 Central at 1410. And you can see today we closed at 1377, and the system's still holding short. Now we do top-down market analysis with this system, and this is what we do for the aftermarket power outlook. I'll go through every day and do this type of analysis on the various things that are important to the market and various stocks that we're looking at and various commodities. On the NASDAQ 100, the NQ, this is a long-term again, the weekly. You can see the cycle model went short here back on the 5th of October at about 2800, and currently now 2570, still holding short on a long-term time frame. So you could save yourself a lot of frustration and agony and stress if you have a model that can work for you like this. So if you've been long the market, at least you could be out and watching everything go down, or you could participate and get short. Now here again is the NASDAQ 100, the NQ, and this is the medium-term time frame as measured by the daily. The system went short on the 7th at the closing price right here. Had a big sell down, smack down, but still took a short there. And currently, we're trading down here at 2570. So below the 200-day moving average here. We're getting fairly oversold. I would not be surprised to see tomorrow maybe a rebound from a short covering rally. It's not out of the question, but we're very, very weak here below the 200-day. So maybe it'll try to rebound in the next day or two to retest the 200, but that's a huge move, so I'm not sure about that. The intermediate term time frame on the Nasdaq 100, this is a system again over the 60-minute time frame. This is pretty much what we use for like swing trades. It nailed it big time back here on the 6th of November. Right at about 3 Central went short, so it's been holding short since 6th of November at 3 o'clock Central. And that came in at 26.73. We're currently down at 25.73, so not a bad trade. Here's Apple. This is the Apple on the long-term time frame as measured by the weekly. We trade a lot of Apple with weekly options, and you can see here it went short on the 5th of October on that weekly close. That came at 6.52. We're currently at 5.37. My target is right here, this pivot low back in May at 5.28, somewhere around here. We're getting close to kind of this buy zone. I would not want to be short into here. Look for a retrace, a bounce off of this area here, and then you can see if it, once it does, it could retest back up here to 570, and then start breaking down again. And then if it breaks through this 528, there's no real support until about 425. You get a little bit right here at 450, 460, then 425. Now here's the daily time frame with the system, and the system went short back on the 25th of October. It's been holding short ever since. That came in at 6.10, so we're currently at 5.37. What I noticed here yesterday was that we came down to the bottom of the channel. It's been trading in a channel, so you can see it bottoms out, goes up, comes down, goes up, following this channel. Today it broke through the channel. This is extreme selling pressure, way oversold on the RSI. 529, 528 tomorrow. If it gets there, that high probability of a bounce, high probability. So keep your eyes open and look for a bounce tomorrow on Apple. Here's one last time frame. This is also the intermediate term. This is what we use for swing trades. It went short here on the 7th of yesterday at 9 Central, the 7th of November at 570. It's had a huge move down. Still holding short. It's not going to take much of a move up to get it neutral though. So keep your eyes open for tomorrow for some potential bounce. So we'll see what happens. I'll show you one more chart, gold, and then I'm going to say ciao bueno. Now here's the gold futures. And you can see we had a nice short signal, nailed it right here on the 8th of October. Had a huge move down from 1781 all the way down, went neutral right here at 1708. Then went short here, went neutral, went long on the 6th, right here about 1712. Currently still holding long. That's on gold futures. And then here's the intermediate term time frame, 60-minute. Had the last short signal here was on the 7th at about 3 Central. No, at 3 in the morning, 0300 at 1725. Went neutral right here at 1712 on the 7th, and today flipped at the 11 Central till long. So it just shows you that gold and the different commodities that we can use this for. So if you're interested, please come join us at PowerCycleTrading.com, PowerCycleTrading.com. And good luck trading tomorrow.